Bobby with Express Restoration. The property we're doing, the front area where we come in, you see where all the air movers are, humidifiers, dry ease, Phoenix, dry ease, Phoenix. Here's the wood floors we were working on yesterday, dry mats. Phoenix, Bruce Wayne room. Here's the hallway right here. Here's the kitchen area, it's all different PDFs. More stuff. Ripping out a closet right here. One. We're going to take all the sheetrock out, insulation, there, sprinkler system pop. Here's your safe room. Here's the dad spot. Here's your family game room. More stuff. Office Express Restoration and carpet. Over the city of Oklahoma. Water lawn.